Captain Alicia Vance was almost home when a patrol car slid sideways across the curb, red-blue strobes washing the sidewalk. 2 white officers stepped out, grins already curling. "Ma'am, you match a report," the taller one lied, hand brushing his cuffs. Alicia's pulse spiked, but her training held. She straightened, broad-shouldered, athletic, and rested one palm on the heads of her companions. Kaiser and Valkyrie, twin German shepherds, stiffened beside her. Army K-9 veterans, just like their handler, they read her tension like a radio signal. "Hands on the hood," the short cop snapped. Alicia didn't move. Kaiser answered instead, a low diesel engine rumble that rolled across the quiet street. Passers-by stopped. Phones rose. The cop's bravado flickered. "Control your animals! Control your fear!" Alicia replied, voice flat as steel. Kaiser took one deliberate step forward. Valkyrie ghosted to the flank, cutting off any retreat. The taller officer's fingers twitched toward his holster. Light gleamed on his badge and on Valkyrie's teeth. "I wouldn't," Alicia warned. "They react faster than triggers." The air turned electric. The crowd grew thicker, cameras soaking in every heartbeat. Alicia felt that old combat focus slide over her. Count exits, note angles, breathe slow. But this was America, not a war zone. Or was it? Suddenly the short cop drew, safety clicking off. The crowd gasped. Valkyrie planted herself between muzzle and handler, hackles ridged, a living shield. Time stretched, a single elastic second filled with gun oil and dread. To be continued. Before the officer could squeeze the trigger, a barked command sliced through the stalemate. "Holster! Now!" A lieutenant muscled past the onlookers, eyes blazing. He saw the drawn weapon, the shaking rookie, the unarmed woman with war-hardened dogs holding the line. "What part of de-escalation don't you get?" he roared. To the rookie's arm dropped. A collective breath whooshed from the crowd. Alicia's knees threatened to sag, but Kaiser leaned against her, steady as granite. Body cams flashed. Citizen phones kept rolling. The lieutenant turned to Alicia, shame darkening his features. "Ma'am, I'm sorry. These men are suspended pending review." Alicia nodded, voice hoarse. "See that it sticks." She tapped her thigh. The shepherds fell in at heel, disciplined and proud. Sirens wailed in the distance, backup arriving far too late. As Alicia walked away, murmurs followed. "Did you see those dogs?" She never even raised a hand. Whole thing's on video. By sunrise, the clip rocketed across social feeds, a black veteran and her K-9 guardian staring down prejudice. Comment sections flooded with outrage, praise, and a single echoed word: respect. Alicia didn't need the internet's applause. She needed only the soft breath of her dogs and the knowledge that tonight they had flipped the script. If the lights flashed again, she would still be ready, but maybe now the city would think twice before trying to cage a soldier and her pack.